candy. Mommy.
Where do we have to keep these?
In here.
Yes. And look.
Rainbow too.
Uh-oh, be careful.
Whoa, one more. Fish.
And then a whole bunch of beads.
Oh my jeez. That is a bunch of it. What?
Yeah.
How do you sort that out?
And then look, last but not least.
What the?
Look, now you can spell your name.
I won.
Yes, you can.
I have an E in my name.
Yes. Good morning, y'all. She had this set, but it came with these.
Yeah, but these are disappear. They're disappear everything.
Come on, focus. So yeah, it came with these little letters, but they only gave them like one letter per thing. So she tried to no, I think it was like 2. If I'm not mistaken. And she tried to spell her name and it only had 1 E and she didn't want to spell it. So she started trying to spell other stuff and still didn't have enough. So of course
that's called Jordan.
Yeah.
That's not my name.
Yeah, I know, girl.
It has like 2 E's.
Exactly.
Okay.
You tell them. She's very particular.
Okay.
My name has 2 E's. I can't spell my name like this.
So
That's what she told me. So went on Trusty Dusty Amazon and was able to get a big pack. And like it's a lot.
71 million 70 beads in here.
So she can spell whatever she needs to spell. Let me take this off.
It is supposed to be here.
Yeah, and see now you can put these in here. I think they. Let me see. Hold on, wait, baby, because they might put it down. Let me see. They might be.
Which color?
Oh, same size. Yeah, see now you can put these letters.
They're not all the beads. So
And then you can put the other. You can put the rest of the beads up right there.
beads up and beads middle and beads down.
Yeah, so these are all your letters. So like you have different shades. So look, like these are clear. And then you have the white ones, and then you have these. Those were the 3. Yeah, I think. Yeah.
I follow. Oh, where's you?
You gotta look.
Dude. What? Wait.
Did you find it?
I passed it here.
Yeah. Do you want one that's this color though? Like the rest of them?
Sure.
Oh, here you go, right here.
Where's it?
Oh, found it. Wait.
No, pink.
Oh, you found a pink hue?
I don't like green. You like boys, Mom?
Do I like boys? Yes, Daddy's a boy.
See this boy? He
Yes.
looks handsome.
He looks handsome, yes.
How you got these? You surprised me.
Yes, I did.
But what are all of these happy face? Do you got sad face? Yes, that's what I mean.
Hey, be slow.
I need more sauce.
She got. What you
I
got?
need more sauce.
Can you see my head?
No, you want to?
Yeah. Because I
What you
did that. I was vlogging the other day. Okay.
Let's spread it more. Okay.
Hey, did you spread it?
No?
Did you spread it?
No, I didn't do the corners.
But I'm doing the corners.
Kind of middle.
Yeah.
I got you. No, my star made me you.
Get it.
No, my coming down to me.
putting pepper on our pizza.
What?
Yeah, that's why we putting pepper and mushrooms. We're having a good bomb pizza.
You're my star, my angel. No one coming down to me. Nobody you. No my, you're my star, my angel. No one come down to me.
I said, Daddy didn't realize that he had to put together the grill.
You have a girlfriend. You have a girlfriend, Mom.
Daddy got nothing over there. She about to get Daddy beat up.
Dad, you have a girlfriend. You do? What's your sister's name? Huh? What's your sister's name? What's your sister's name?
Marcia Antoinette Beverly.
Beverly? Can I talk to her? Dang, that's a lot of cheese.
Y'all like cheese, don't you?
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, you can't do that one. You gotta do that one in the garage.
I got my foot. Eden, you like pepperoni? No. Why?
Oh my gosh, how goes it? You gotta turn that down. Turn it off, Dre. I don't need that in my video. Alright, y'all. Just got out the shower. Hopefully about to put some wings in the Instapot.
Ninja pot.
The Instapot?
Ninja pot.
Ninja pot.
It's an Instapot. Okay, Ninja Pot.
Alright, help us so if you don't.
Okay.
Help us so we don't
So I
what?
don't what? Thanks, Daddy.
Because I don't have no shoes on.
Wait, Journey, get some clips.
These guys.
Mom, help.
No. Just don't mess my bricks up.
I'm tripping. It's the wind.
Ooh, it's pretty. Hey.
Yeah, we need when the wind's doing stuff.
Come on, Journey, where you at?
I'm coming.
She coming. Yeah, she did a lot. It's a whole situation, y'all.
Shut it. Dad, you get 3 because you're older.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Hey, Mom, you get 3 too.
Oh, they professionals.
3.
You can be a professional at lighting fireworks?
Yeah.
How?
You can buy the professional ones illegally. Ooh.
Are you okay?
She not. Baby, you good?
Yeah, baby. She's looking. You gotta look where you're going, baby.
Sorry.
Hey, sorry, baby. I want you to be okay, but I want you to look where you walk.
Sorry. How?
Yeah, that
your
hurt.
knees, it hurt. Ooh, that was pretty.
Hey. Look down.
Look down, Jay.
Look, where you going? Where you going? Come here. Come here. Where you going? Stay right here. Don't walk on the bricks. That's how you felt. Don't walk on the bricks, baby.
You can walk in the mulch.
No, Dad, you get 3 because you're older.
Baby, thank you. Okay. But you don't walk on the
Be
bricks.
older.
You will fall.
Mama, walk in the black, in the mulch, in the black. Walk on the black part.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think on the mulch.
Yes, you can walk on the mulch.
Yeah.
You need one on the
Yeah, it's a whole situation going on outside, but we about to watch these fireworks from the backyard.
Stop yelling, Mom.
somebody
That
else
was
here.
daddy.
They cheering them on.
So yeah,
Don't
we about to eat. It's a late.
I'm doing this.
baby.
It's not even late.
Dad, Mom, wait.
Our 4th of July was last month, a couple of weeks ago. So, we didn't really do much today. We finished putting up stuff in the house and we swam. And now we about to eat. And my kid is so nosy. I can't even tell you. Hold on. So yeah, so we chilled today. The kids chilled. They played the games. Journey did her puzzles and stuff. They swam. And it's 8:30 right now. And then my hubby is going to pick up my sister and her family. They'll be here for a couple of days with us. It's a surprise for my kids, so I had to come all the way over here to tell you because my daughter is nosy. So he's going to get them because the way my eyesight set up, I can't drive in the dark. So he's going to pick them up because they come in at 11:30. So he's going to do that. And I just don't know how much stuff they have. And I was like, all of us can go, but if they got a lot of stuff, it won't fit. That's going to be a situation. So he's going to pick them up. Surprise journey in the morning most likely, but she'll be asleep. I don't know if he's going to take Aiden with him or not, just so he can ride with him. But yeah, we're going to sit out on our patio and watch all of the neighborhood fireworks. And we're going to chill for the rest of the night. Make some chicken wings and french fries, and we're going to call it wonderful. It was a chill day. It was a chill day, but it was productive. We put up some of the things that we needed to put up. I moved my mirror from one spot to the other. And I do plan on doing a house tour, but I'm just trying to get like stuff that I want up, and then I'll do it. So yeah, other than that, everything is cool. We had a nice productive weekend. I told y'all that our pool was down, so y'all just saw it. It's back up now. So this guy. Preteens. I don't like the preteens. I don't like the preteens. But yeah, so The pool is back up. We finished that yesterday. And I had a circle going around the circle of the pool, but I wanted to change it because I wanted to add mulch to all of the area so I squared it off. So once we do the other half of our backyard, it's even. So with us having to, we basically took it down and returned it, got a new pool, and put it back up yesterday. So it's more even at the bottom. And then, so it should, and then it's, we did tarp under it. We did sand and tarp under it just because, y'all know, with these new foundation, if you don't do like their, if you don't pick them to do their landscaping and stuff, it's still stuff in the ground. So we changed all of that, moved it out, and put the sand, we put the tarp. So now we good. And my house is coming together, y'all. Like, I am just like, it's cute in here. Okay, there go the shelf.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's cute. It's so nice, y'all hear it? Listen, they setting it off. They scared me out my sleep 2 weeks ago. I was very annoyed about it. So yeah, that's it, y'all. So that's what's going on. Hope you guys had a nice weekend. Hope y'all had a nice 3-day weekend. We'll holler at y'all.
Shoot him at each other. If you got hit, you're it.
Do you ever question Dad?
No.
Why? The things he's done as a kid are just like, why? Like, who would do that?
Beat the Provoville.